Here's a boat that brings the comfort of a cruiser, the fun of a deck boat, and the style to turn heads. Meet the Starcraft SVX 211. The sleek exterior lines and bold color accents give this 21-footer a modern look with real presence on the water. Step on board and you're greeted with a spacious, open interior that's built for entertaining. As we move forward, the bow lounge offers deep, wraparound seating, perfect for sunrise cruising, sunbathing, or casting a line. Up front, the bow boarding ladder makes beach and sandbar access super easy. Midship. You've got wide bench seating that keeps passengers comfortable while underway. A built-in sink station is tucked into the port side. You've also got dedicated Fender storage and a spacious in-floor compartment. At the helm, everything is laid out for ease of use, from your switches and controls to clean visibility and seating comfort. This SVX 211 is powered by a Mercury 175 horsepower outboard, giving you the performance to cruise, tow, or just rip around the bay with confidence. And when the sun kicks in, the Bimini top provides instant shade for you and your crew. This SVX 211 is available now at any Nautical Ventures dealership. Come check it out in person or visit nauticalventures.com to schedule a walkthrough. Nautical Ventures, the go-to people for fun on the water.